Hey there, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the apps from third-party websites on Mac computer. So Apple by default do not allow the installation of apps from third-party websites. However, there is a way to bypass it. Say suppose I want to install this app which says Neardrop and it is available on the GitHub. So after downloading it, I can go to the download folders, and here if I double click on this app to install or open, it is saying that Neardrop can't be opened because it is not downloaded from the App Store. Now if you want to bypass this setting, what you can do is you can go to this Apple logo or Apple menu, and from here go to System Settings, and within the System Settings switch to Privacy and Security tab in the left sidebar. And if you scroll to the bottom, you have this security section where you have this option to configure how to allow applications downloaded from the App Store and identify developers. So just switch to this identify developers options as well and verify yourself. And here you would be able to see the Neardrop applications which I was trying to download is blocked. So what I can do is I can select open anyway and then hit on open, which will automatically start the application. So right now you can see the application has been added to my menu bar, which means the application is running. So in this way I can configure the privacy and security settings and also allow third-party apps to install on my Mac. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Have a great day.